Welcome to FAD Tutorial. In this video I will teach you how you can make this 3D design in SolidWorks. So let's open the SolidWorks. We'll go to the file, new, part, OK. Then we have to select the front plane, sketch. Okay, then we have to open the drawing. So this is our drawing. So we will draw from this side, this area. So 50 is width and 60 is its height. Open the SolidWorks. So draw a sketch like this. Okay, and we go to the smart dimension, but we have to check again. So I'm talking about this dimension 50 and this dimension 60. Okay, and this dimension is 35 on the top. Okay, so we also have to do this dimension also. So open the SolidWorks, smart dimension 50, smart dimension 60, this dimension 35. Okay, and we open the drawing again, and one thing we have to check again, this dimension we have to also do. This is 20. Okay, smart dimension, and this is 20. Okay, now the sketch is ready. Go to the feature and extrude. So go to the mid plane, and if open the drawing, this dimension is 70. Okay, this 70. Go to the SolidWorks, features, extrude, 70. Okay, this is ready now. So we have to select the, if we open the drawing, we will see this is 40 and this is the shape. So 20 is the mid difference. So 40 and 20, we will draw two lines. So go to the SolidWorks, select this plane, sketch. So we will draw a center line. Okay, up to here. Select the line. So we select the midpoint line. Okay, and we will draw a midpoint line on the top also. Okay, so smart dimension, this is 40 and this is 20. Okay, and we go to the drawing again, the distance is 20. Okay, so open the SolidWorks. So distance from here to here is 20. Okay, and we'll use the line and make it fill like this and fill like this. Okay, go to the feature and extrude cut through all. Okay, so we select through all. So our model is ready. I hope you like this tutorial. Please support my channel. I will upload a similar tutorial on this channel. Thank you for watching.